Hello, dear children. Did you know how hard it is for our little friends, the beautiful birds, to find food? Sometimes they feel quite sad when they cannot find anything to eat. Shall we help these innocent little birds? Today, let's make a bird-feeding platform. We can hang it high up or place it on a tree. That way, even if cats or dogs come around, our feathered friends won't have to be afraid. They will be able to eat their food in peace and safety. Let's put some treats on this platform, like rice, small seeds, maize, and different kinds of fruit. Remember to ask your mummy or daddy which foods are best to put out for them. Then, just wait and see what happens. Beautiful birds will fly down to enjoy their meal. Doesn't it make your heart feel so happy just watching them? It is wonderful to know that we are helping our little friends. So, you can join your mummy and daddy to make a bird-feeding platform like this to help our environment and the little animals. When you do, you become kind children and real little heroes.